the first things that it has done is it has brought us face to face with finiteness of life or vulnerability at a very core level. I realized that before COVID, we were going through the motions of living without taking that pause, stepping back and looking at life, looking at our own selves, looking at our bodies, feeling connected with the rest of the world. I think COVID has forced us to do that. It has forced us to step back, and I think it has told us about our finiteness. And I think we can take it with fear, or we can take it with gratitude, or we can take it with some amount of reflection. I think the choices are definitely ours. It has also told us that what is really, I think Dr. Saxena had said this earlier, what is really important for us. Yeah, because I think when you go through the motions, and I'm taking slightly philosophical tone here, but we are hearing these narratives that when people were living through the motions, they did not reflect to see what was genuinely important for them, how much they needed to live, how much was excess and how much was a necessity. I think that is also the second thing it has provided to people. Third is, I think it has really forced them without choice to look within, which was not happening, right? And it can be scary, or it can be a path to self-awareness. And the last thing, I think it has told us that regardless of how arrogant we are about our own existence, we cannot live without other people. So I think it has brought at a very core level the importance of social connectedness, which is a theme that we have been harping upon. And I hope we, through technology or no technology, we stay connected. I think that's the most important.
Dr. Saxena, your last words.
I think I will very much like to go back to what Aparna was saying, that there are two ways in which we derive lessons from this. One is to look inside, and one is to look outside. The inside lesson is to think again what is important for us, what is valuable for us, what do we really assign more value versus less value, and to then change the way we look at ourselves and we look at our life. So that is the introspection part. That is quite important. But the second clear message is that we live in an interconnected world, and what we do has an impact on others, and what others do have an impact on ourselves. Simple things like going outside the house could be dangerous to me and somebody else is a message that is very clearly being listened to. And I think that's something that we will remember, and we should remember for many other spheres of life, be it environment, be it community feeling, be it security, be it financial, economic matters. I think that message is much more important than just the health safety. What you do impacts others, and what others do impacts you. And if we can remember that message and carry it out in our daily life for some time in future, that will be a silver lining to the crisis that we are going through.